सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्दमार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
Sameer, what are you doing? How much time will you take?
I'm doing it, Mom. Today is Sunday. What is the hurry?
So does that mean you are going to spend the whole day brushing your teeth? Finish it quickly and start studying.
Yes, coming.
Sameer, tomorrow you have your exam. Start studying.
Mom, please pass on my book.
It's in front of you. Please pick it up.
Mom, I'm already sitting here. I have to get up, then go there, pick up the book, then I have to come back. When will I study then? You are standing. Please give it to me.
You are too much, Sameer. I don't know what to do with you. Take this and study.
Oh wow, what a day! He is studying today. Good.
I have to study, Papa.
Hey, listen. Can I have a cup of tea?
Yes, I'm getting it.
And where is today's newspaper?
Sameer, give the newspaper to Papa.
Okay, I will give it.
Oh, please give me the newspaper.
Sameer, please give the newspaper to Papa. Can't you see I'm busy?
I don't know where you have kept the newspaper.
Sameer, it's exactly in front of you. Can't you see it?
Mom, you know the newspaper is on the table. Then why don't you give it to him?
I don't know what is wrong with this boy. Here is your tea and today's newspaper.
Sameer, tell me one thing. Do you know that God has given everyone one thing equally? And what is that?
What is it, Papa?
My dear son, please think a little.
Yes, body.
No, my son. God has made someone fat and someone lean. Someone is tall and someone is short. Your answer is wrong, Sameer. You should think on it.
Can I answer it? Brain?
Wrong. God has made some human beings brainy, some not so. And few doesn't have brain at all. Sameer, my son, think a little. At least don't be lazy to think, okay?
Enough, Papa. I'm not able to think anymore. I accept my defeat. If you want to tell me, then go ahead, or else I'll go to sleep.
Okay, fine. I will tell you. One thing that God has given equally to everyone is time. Night and day together equals to 24 hours. And those people who become successful in life, for them also, the time is 24 hours only, not 28 hours. Understood? And they all have used their time properly and efficiently. It is only possible when you will leave your laziness. Do you get it?
Look at him. This is how he behaves. Whenever I try to make him understand, he goes away.
Yes, I just saw it.
Tell me, what did you see? If he's going to be lazy like this, how is he going to grow in his future, huh?
He is young.
No, don't support him.
He will understand one day. Listen, I'm too hungry. At least you don't be lazy to get me something. Come on, cook something for me. Come on.
Papa, do you know any story? I want to say it in school tomorrow.
Story? Yes, I know one.
Then tell me fast, no.
Okay, so I need to tell a story. But my son, I'm busy right now. Can I tell you later?
Are you sure, Papa?
Yes, son. Don't worry, I will.
Papa, my story.
Oh, Samir, it's not been an hour also. And you came back so early? Listen, son. Now, I'm not in any mood. Please come later.
Sure.
Yes, son. Sure. I'll tell you later. Sure.
Papa, my story.
Son, it's dinner time now. And I'm too hungry. Later, son. Later. I will surely tell you a story.
No.
Later, after dinner. Today the food was awesome.
Thank you. Hey, I forgot to tell you, there is 50% discount going on in the malls.
Is it? I will also buy a pair of shirts for me from there.
Yes, and even I want to buy my makeup kit.
Papa, my story.
Samir, please wait. Don't you see I'm talking with your mom? So what was I talking with you? Yes, shirts. I'm also thinking to buy a pair of shirts for my office wear.
Please listen, Papa. I have asked you so many times to tell me a story, but you're not listening to me.
My son, you also avoid everything like this. Tell me one work which you do it immediately. So son, now do you know how others feel? Okay, then fine. I will tell you a story.
You tell him a story, I'll get milk for Samir.
There was a businessman named as Rama, and he was very lazy. He was lucky that his ancestors had left too much wealth for him, and that's why he never ever worked in life. He was living his life without any worries and stress.
My lord,
Have
have these fruits.
What is this?
This is pomegranate. It is very good for health.
Oh, that is fine. But tell me, who will waste time on peeling it? You should have brought grapes. Just pick it and eat. Now go. Bring fresh grapes for me.
Okay, my lord.
My lord,
Ah.
somebody is stealing from your farm and you're sleeping here.
What? Stealing? Who is doing it?
You're field worker, my lord.
I will sack all of them from their job and also punish them.
But at least come with me or they will run away.
Come on. Who can stop the thieves from stealing now? Anyways, they would have run away from there.
But at least have a look, my lord.
Hey, I told you. We'll go tomorrow.
my lord-
Go.
But
Tomorrow.
my lord-
Not now. Tomorrow. You go.
My lord,
Ah, now what happened?
your factory is getting seizure over there.
What? Seizure? And who is doing it?
My lord, some people from neighboring village.
Oh, is it? We'll lodge a complaint against them in the police station.
So let's go, my lord. We will call police.
Can't you see? It's too sunny now. We'll go in the evening.
But my lord, it will be too late.
We are already going to the police. Anyways, if we go there, they are not going to listen to us.
But
Don't
my
worry,
lord-
police will manage it.
But my lord,
Go. You go now. Continue your work, okay? How much they worry, yaar.
Their master is too lazy, and the servants have understood this very clearly. So they started stealing from him. Still, the businessman did not change. And in this way, all his wealth got finished in due time, and he became poor.
Swamiji, please help me out, Swamiji.
what happened, my child?
I was having lot of wealth, but all of a sudden everything got finished. Now I don't have money to buy food also.
Okay, my child. I am giving you this paras. With this, you can change iron into real gold. But remember one thing, it will stay with you only for 8 days. And on the 8th day, I will come personally and take it back.
Okay, Swamiji.
God bless you, my child.
Now I will turn all iron into gold and live a carefree life.
Swamiji gave him a paras, and he lived happily for 4 or 5 days along with the help of it. But when he came back into his senses, he got the shock of his life.
Oh no, all my gold is finished. Now there is no more iron around which I can turn into gold. What do I do now? Okay, I'll go out and search for the iron. Brother, please wait. Are you carrying any iron with you? Please give it to me. I need it very urgently.
But I have iron at home. Right now I have some urgent work. While returning, I will send it to you.
You will send it to me? Sure?
Yes. Trust me, I will send it to you.
Brother, please wait. Are you carrying any iron with you? Please give it to me.
Iron? Why will I have iron with me?
If you don't have, then at least ask your friends to give it to me. I need it very urgently.
Okay, I will ask my friends if they have any iron.
I have asked many of them. Someone will definitely send it to me. I'll go take a rest for a while.
He blindly trusted people's word, and he didn't go out to search iron. And it became night, but nobody came to give him iron.
It is night now and nobody came with iron. I'll wake up early in the morning and anyhow get the iron for me. Now I'll sleep early and wake up early. It's 10 a.m. Oh God, where do I get the iron now in the sun? I will have to go out and check. Why did I get up so late? It is so sunny. Where will I go in such a heat?
How are you, my child?
Swamiji, you came so early.
It's not early, my child. As promised, I have come on 8th day.
What? It's been 8 days. Swamiji, please give me 2 more days.
Oh, you fool! I have given you 8 days. If you would have wanted, you could have done so many things. But no, because of your laziness, you couldn't do anything. Now give my paras back.
Swamiji!
He cried a lot and asked for a second chance. But the holy man became angry and left. Son, a past time doesn't ever come back. Time is very precious. Now it is totally your decision. Would you want to waste your time like that businessman? Or would you want to use it correctly and properly?
Papa, I realized my mistake. I sincerely promise to you that I will do all my work on time and I'm going to tell the same story in my school too.
Very good, my son. I was expecting the same from you.